tuner. The LED headlamps of the new Fortuner has a distinctive sharp design LED line guide that has been added to give a unique signature to the vehicle along with crystal clear vision. Additionally, the dual function daytime running lights add to the style quotient and magnetic attention. Next, the surface emitting materials used in the creation of the new split rear combi lamps give it a unique nighttime look that's hard to miss. The multi-axis spokes of the alloy wheels, along with the super chrome metallic finish, create a strong and premium presence of the Fortuner and gives it an energetic silhouette. The Fortuner owner is a leisure traveler and a lifestyle seeker. To suit his demanding taste, the new Fortuner now comes with connected features like geo-fence your car, locate your car in a parking lot, send SOS in case of an emergency, amongst many other features. The large smartphone connected display now comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The 11-speaker premium JBL audio system with subwoofer will further enhance the drive experience with an epic acoustic output. The seat ventilation system in the new Fortuner takes into account the Indian climatic conditions for the extensive traveler. The front row seats are equipped with suction flow mechanism, which helps to cool more rapidly than the conventional ventilation system, making your ride a comfortable one.